If you are wondering if we will get Android 17 update on OPPO Find X9, then the answer is yes, we will. Right now, as I am recording this video, there is no information about Android 17 yet, so of course this depends when you are watching this video. Perhaps you are watching this when the Android 17 was announced already, or it started being rolled out on some devices. OPPO Find X9 should also be able to receive Android 17 because we started with Android 16 and we have 5 years of major Android upgrades. So in theory we should be able to get Android 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 once they are released essentially. So unfortunately, right now there is no specific date when we can expect Android 17, and usually older devices tend to receive new updates a little bit later than the newer, so you just have to patiently wait for the rollout. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.